Are you looking for the easiest way to send and receive Bitcoin using the Lightning Network? Today we're talking about the Wallet of Satoshi app and whether it's actually worth using or not. Wallet of Satoshi is a Bitcoin wallet focused on fast and simple Lightning payments. Unlike many other wallets, it is custodial, which means the app manages your funds for you, making it extremely easy to use, especially for beginners. Talking about features, Wallet of Satoshi allows you to send and receive Bitcoin instantly using the Lightning Network with very low fees. It doesn't require complex setup like channel management, so you can start using it right away. You can also scan QR codes to make payments quickly. The interface is very simple and beginner-friendly. Everything is designed to make sending Bitcoin as easy as possible, with no complicated options or settings. Now let's quickly see how to use it. First, download the Wallet of Satoshi app, then create your account. There's no complicated setup required. After that, you can add Bitcoin and start sending or receiving payments instantly. A quick disclaimer, since Wallet of Satoshi is a custodial wallet, you do not have full control over your private keys. This means you are trusting the platform to manage your funds. It's generally recommended for small amounts rather than long-term storage. Now the big question, is it worth it? If you want the simplest possible way to use Lightning payments without any technical setup, then Wallet of Satoshi is definitely worth it. However, if you prefer full control over your funds and maximum security, you might choose a non-custodial wallet instead. Overall, Wallet of Satoshi is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get started with Bitcoin Lightning payments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app reviews. And let me know in the comments which app you want me to review next.